This means the general election in our country can be called either at the end of this year or in the first quarter of next year. This also means that political parties in Malta are now preparing in earnest to be election ready, or if you like, battle ready. Some still speak at the irony that our presidency is led by a prime minister in our country who had campaigned so strongly to actually keep us out. Many were surprised that last week, in the presence of the President of the European Commission and the entire College of Commissioners, I stood up in Parliament to express the Maltese people's disappointment that the European Commission has not spoken nor even acknowledged an issue that our people here in Malta care about: corruption. In this sense, I welcome the visit of a delegation of the European Parliament Committee to Malta next month as part of its investigations into issues that erupted from the Panama Papers affair.